Okay, we're back. Let's go ahead. Let's take a look at this last one. So I don't want us to graph this one. I just want us to find all the good information. All right, I want to find the ones that don't require us to actually make any calculations first. So the amplitude we should be able to find. That -2, A is for amplitude. But keep in mind amplitude is always going to be positive. So we have 2 for the amplitude. The 7 tells me about my node line. My equation of my node line is going to be y is equal to 7, which means that my vertical displacement is going to be 7 up, 7 up, 7 up. All right, so you need the number, you also need the direction. To find my maximum y value, well, I can take the 7 and add 2 to it. To find the minimum, 7 minus 2 will go ahead and give me 5. Now, the frequency I can go ahead and figure out by this 3 right here. This is going to be 3 cycles in 360 degrees. Okay, notice the degree bubble right there. Now, the phase shift and the period of one cycle, I'm going to use the guts. 3 times x plus 30. And I'm going to put that in between 0 and 360. I'm going to divide everything by 3. I'll get 0 is less than or equal to x plus 30, which is less than or equal to 120. And then I'm going to move the 30 over. That is -30 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 90. Now this is going to talk or help me figure out what my phase shift is. Instead of starting at 0, we're starting at -30, which means we're going 30 degrees to the left. The period of one cycle then, take a look, we can go right back to the step before it, the 120 degrees. That's the difference between -30 and 90. So our period is 120 degrees. Now, keep in mind, we said that our frequency was 3 cycles in 360. If we do 3 times 120, do you see how that gets us to the 360? Okay, a lot of these have things that are in common, and if you go from one piece to the next piece, okay, they should all kind of go ahead and have some kind of relationship. Now, Delzati is done for today. I will see you in class.